Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. In this series, we will be discussing new features. All of these new features were requested by you based upon your feedback. So please, keep your comments coming.
In today's video, we will be discussing a new feature related to time zones. There are two ways you can add or adjust the time zone. The first is when you are adding a new client. So the green button in the top right called Add New Client, click on that, add the client name, the client code, and set the time zone. And the time zone is determined by the address, the client's address, that was used within QuickBooks Online or Xero. Now, if you have an existing client for which you need to adjust the time zone, please find the client, click on the three dots associated with the client, and then you can edit the client by clicking the Edit button and change the time zone. The reason we added this new feature was to account for remote teams. As an example, say you have a bookkeeping team in the Philippines. That is roughly a 13-hour difference between Eastern Standard Time. Therefore, by using this new time zone feature, everyone will be looking at the same data. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know.